I'm Ryan, I'm from Lincoln, I'm an electrician looking to get into property. I've sought Samuel's advice on plenty of things and he's provided quite useful with a lot of information that he's provided, so yeah.
Yeah, and so tell me specifically what this course is.
Okay, so it's a 4-day course touching on different aspects, purchase to lease options, BRRs, rent to rents. So we're just delving deeper into that, following on from his £1 crash course.
Incredible. So Samuel is, obviously he's on stage, he's on stage, and you're seeing a lot of deals kind of live in the room. What's it like being around him?
Yeah. So he's pushing us to network more. He's obviously ringing clients up, agents, showing us what he's done, where he's been, how he's done it. He's really going into depth about how it can benefit you and how achievable it is. So it's useful to know and just see how achievable it really is.
Incredible. And tell me about Samuel. What's he like as a teacher and educator?
He's really passionate. He's really helpful. The energy he brings into rooms is incredible. So just seeing the way he is, the way he carries himself, showing how achievable it is, really breaking it down and showing the steps forward. So,
Incredible. And what are you going to go away and do after this course?
well, during the course as well, I've been following up Leeds in my town, Lincoln. Looking forward, I want to be hitting some goals that he's making us set whilst we're on this course now. So that relative to BRRs, rent service accommodations, them sort of areas.
Incredible. And to anyone who's thinking about coming down to the course, what would you say?
Absolutely do it, 100%. It really opens your eyes to property if that's what you want to get into. Even if you're not looking at doing it, it's something that you can use as a passive income. I think you'd be silly not to do it.